How to manage spoken results on Google Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage spoken results on Google Mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google and then click on your profile here and then click settings and now click this one voice and now click spoken results here, and here you can manage it to anything you want. You can let it on all voice services or you can change it to hands-free service only. And that's it for today's video. It's of course, if you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.